They say there was a secret chord that David played and pleased the Lord, but you don't really care for music, do ya? It goes like this: the fourth, the fifth, the minor fall, and the major lift. The baffled king composing hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Hey folks, welcome to Loog Nation, where future guitarists start. Today we're working on Hallelujah. It's such an amazing song. Jeff Buckley made it so iconic on his guitar, and it's actually a song in the movie Shrek, and I've done a different song from the movie Shrek, and if you haven't seen that video, you can check it out later or in the description. That's so funny. I just now realized that. I must love the movie Shrek. Okay, Hallelujah. This is such a great song, and it really challenges one part of your playing, so stick around, because I'm going to show you what that is later in this lesson. But first, let's talk about what we're going to learn. We're going to learn all the chords that we need to know in this song. We're going to work on the progression, because this song is different. It kind of just goes from verse to verse to verse without a chorus. There's no real chord change. So the progression is really important. We're going to work on some strumming, and then we're going to put it together as a play along. Okay? Great. Let's get into it. Chords. We are in the key of G. Now, for all you music people out there, you might know exactly what I'm talking about. For those who are just getting to know some music, keys are sounds that go really well together. All songs are composed in a certain key. Sometimes they change keys within the song. Most of the times they stay in the same key. And a key has to do with our major scale, based off our major scale. Key of G means that G is our home sound. Do, 1. We have all these different other sounds. We have the C. The song itself actually references the number or the sound interval, right? The 4th, and then we have the 5th, which is a D, and it's all related to the beginning chord, which is a G. And in the music alphabet, we only go up to the letter G. We go A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and then it starts over at A again. So in G, we'd have G, A, B, C, D, and then the minor fall is the E minor, the 6. So everything's related. That's what we mean about being in the key of G. G, C, D, E minor. There's one more chord that we have to learn, and that's a B7. That's pretty easy on the Loog because just the 2 outer fingers. Great. Hey, if you're having a hard time with the D chord, I actually have a whole lesson on mastering your D chord. You should check that out. I'm going to put a little thingy here and a link in the description for you all if you're having a hard time grabbing that D chord. Let's keep going. Now it's time for the progression of those chords that you've learned. Now this is a long one, so stick with me. I'm going to do my best to post it here on the board. We're going to use one strum for each chord, and we're going to work our way through hearing and learning this progression. Okay? By the way, this is also a very easy way to play the song. It's just one strum at a time as well. More on that later. We're going to start with a G. G. E minor. G. E minor. C. D. And G. Back to D. And then we're going to go G. C. D, E minor, C, a D, B7, and then E minor. Here's the Hallelujah part. C, E minor, C, E minor, G, sorry, D, G. This is what you've been waiting for. I said earlier at the beginning of the lesson that this has a unique strumming pattern. Here's what it is. We're counting this song in 3 instead of 4. And that can be a little confusing. It can be really challenging, right? So let's think of this as 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Some might even argue that this song counts to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Actually, that does feel good, doesn't it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Are you up for the challenge? Let's do it. We're going to start with that. And they say there was a secret chord. Whoops, sorry. They say there was a secret chord that David played and it pleased the Lord. And I'm feeling 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I'm going to strum on 1 and 4. Are you with me? Stick with me. This is kind of hard. We got strumming on 1 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. All right. Let's go. Let's keep going with that, okay? I'm going to do this progression again. I'm going to slow down a wee bit, but we're going to count to 6. We're going to strum on 1 and 4 as we're counting to 6. They 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, there were a couple of changes there. I hope you got them. Now we're coming to the end of this verse, the hallelujah. Hallelujah. 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So notice there, it was slightly different what I taught earlier. I want to omit that last D chord that I taught earlier and go right into the G to E minor kind of vamp between verses. And that's what you can do. You can take a little break between verses by vamping. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I know there's a lot of new terms. We're counting to 6. I'm introducing what a vamp is. But notice how it really creates a nice waltz or a moving chord progression. Very different than our 4 beats that we've been learning in rock songs. It's a cool rock ballad. It's a very beautiful song. If you never heard the song, I highly recommend you listen to any version of this song. It's so good. One of the strumming options we can do is give ourselves a down up at some point in this 6 count, right? Instead of it just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We can go. So that's strumming down, down, up, down, down, up. Oh, it's up on 6. Yeah, that's what it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nice. Okay, cool. I can count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we're going 1, 4, 6, 1, 4, 6. This is why I think counting to 6 is a lot easier than counting to 3 twice, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Another thing that happens in the song is we have this kind of really cool walk down. Now that normally happens on the 6th string of the guitar, the lowest string, but the 1st string and the 6th string are the exact same notes, just 2 octaves higher. So I can do 3 or the G, and then 2nd fret, which is an F sharp, and then open E as I hit that E minor. And this is where the 6 comes in really handy, because that's when we're moving to the F sharp or the 2nd fret. Let's watch that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That can happen during the vamp, and it can also happen at the beginning of the verse. They say there was a secret chord that David played, and it pleased the Lord. Right? These are cool little tricks and nice ways to kind of embellish the song, make it sound a little more flavorful. I'm going to start this play along with 2 vamps, and then I'm going to go into the lyrics. Now watch for some of the changes. I'm not going to be doing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 the whole time due to some of the chord changes. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I heard there was a secret chord that David played, and it pleased the Lord, but you don't really care for music, do ya? It goes like this: the 4th, the 5th, the minor fall, and the major lift, the baffled king composing hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. That's the whole verse, and essentially that's the whole song. The song has many verses, and it's really wonderful to listen to and read and learn the lyrics. It's a really cool story and a great, great song. I hope you've had an amazing time learning this song. Very much a challenge from a lot of the easier songs we've learned at Loog Nation. If you're having a good time today, and maybe you're new to Loog Nation, please join the community. Hit that subscribe button. Mark that notification bell. We're here every Thursday with a new lesson. If there's a song that you want to learn, leave it in the comments below. I ask every week, if there's a song that somebody out there wants to learn, please leave it in the comments below. I want to stack my queue of lessons of songs that you want to learn. I'm throwing in songs that I love, and I'm trying to mix it up with kid songs and 90s rock and, today's hits. But I also want to know what you want to learn to prove that we can play the Loog like a real instrument, because it is a real instrument. All right, future guitarists, have a great time learning Hallelujah. I'll see you next time with a new lesson.